Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with TZ&C. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today we're making pumpkin punch. So we have about a pound of pumpkin, and with this pumpkin we're going to dice or cut the pumpkin. Whether you want to cut them small, you want to cut them medium or large, you can go ahead and cut them based on your liking. So we're going to remove the skin. Some persons like to remove it and some persons don't. So it's based on your choice, based on what you prefer and want to do. So we're just going to dice the pumpkin. So after you remove the skin from the pumpkin, we're going to go ahead and dice. So we're going to dice up all of the pumpkin and prepare it for the next step of making the punch. Okay guys, so we finish cutting the pumpkin. As I said before, you can cut them small as you can cut them large. It doesn't matter because we're going to boil the pumpkin. So next we're going to wash the pumpkin off. So we're going to wash off the pumpkin, then we're going to put them in some boiling water and allow them to boil. Okay, so the boiling water is ready now. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer the pumpkin into the boiling water, and then we're going to allow them to boil, right, until it is soft. So we'll check back on it. So allow it to boil until it's soft. So you can come now and then and you can use a fork to test the pumpkin if they are cooked, right, because we want it soft so that it can blend. So you're gonna boil it until they are soft. So we're going to do the fork test to find out if the pumpkin is ready, if it is cooked, right? So as this have been boiling for 10 minutes, so we're just going to check now to ensure that everything is boiled. So when you use the fork to pierce through the pumpkin, it should go through easily, right? So that's how you know that it is cooked. Or if you crush it in the pot and you realize it crushed easily, so that means that the pumpkin is ready. So see, it's very soft, right, because it is crushing easily with ease. So it's very soft, so the pumpkin is ready now. So we're just testing all of them to ensure that they are all cooked, right? So there we have it, the pumpkin is ready. So what we're going to do next is we're going to turn off the fire because the pumpkin ready now. So we're going to turn off the fire and allow it to cool to move on to the next step. Remember that pumpkin very soft, you know, so pumpkin no need no bag of boiling, no bag of cooking. 10 minutes is enough, right? So we don't need no whole heap of cooking for pumpkin, just 10 minutes, right? So we just have to allow the pumpkin to cool and then we're going to move on to the next step. So stick around guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. So the pumpkin is now cool and we're going to transfer that pumpkin to the blender. So this is the next step. So we transfer the pumpkin into the blender, right? Just shaking off everything, ensure that everything nice and easy. See how the pumpkin them look very good. That make a delicious pumpkin rice with this rich pumpkin. All right, so we're just going to blend this pumpkin, right? See it? Okay, so we're blending the pumpkin now. So we're just blending up everything. Look at it, very rich pumpkin. This pumpkin is very rich, very yellow and nice, a very vibrant color, right? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button guys, and subscribe if you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed. So then we're going to transfer the pumpkin that we just blend into a container. So we are gonna mix up now. We're gonna mix up them, yes. I will mix up things, you know. Alright guys, so next, after we transfer the pumpkin that we just blend to the container, we're gonna add the ingredients now. So we're gonna add about half cup of milk. You can add any milk of your choice, right? We're also going to add some supligen. If you have Ensure, you can also go ahead and add Ensure. Any substitute that you want to add, you can go ahead and add. And seeing that this is a 2 to 3 serving, we're just going to add about a quarter supligen or half, and about a quarter to a half of the guineas, depending on the quantity and the serving size that you are making for the pumpkin punch. It requires more ingredient. You will double up on the ingredient, or requires less. So this is why I'm using less of the ingredient, so that we're not adding a lot. If you have dragon, you can also use dragon if you don't have the guineas, right guys? Alright, so this will nice and creamy now. So we just gonna add little rose water and almond. This is optional, you don't have to add that, but I want to add look extra, nah dear nothing, right? So whatever spice you want to go ahead and add, you can add whatever you can add and you can take out. We're also going to add some nutmeg, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, right? And you can't go wrong with the salt, guys. You have to put salt in whatever beverage that includes milk. So whatever beverage with milk, add a little salt to bring up the taste and so no belly no run. So a quarter teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to give this a stir. Look at that guys, very creamy pumpkin punch. Look at it, very nice. I can't wait to get my cup. 1 glass and I'm good, guys. I hope you try this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And we're going to add some honey for sweetening. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon. And here we have it, our pumpkin punch juice. Look at that, very rich and delicious drink. You can serve with 2 ice, or so you can put it on the fridge to be cooled. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Cooking with TZ&C. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, guys. Bye.